Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, back with another episode of Crypto Corner. For news today, the Bank of England has laid out conditions for Libra's launch in the UK. First Bitcoin Capital Corp has signed an MOU with Bitcasas. DigiMaxGlobal has entered an agreement with Black Manta Capital Partners. Crypto payments are coming to South Korea's biggest convenience store chain. Political donations in crypto are legal in Japan. And Vanguard is partnering with a blockchain startup for a Forex platform. So according to a report from CoinDesk, the Bank of England has laid out the rules that Facebook's Libra project must conform to in order to launch in the UK. Facebook, by the way, is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol FB. One of the more notable stipulations is the Bank of England's needing access to be able to monitor payment chain information on the payment network. First Bitcoin Capital Corp, which is traded on the OTC under the ticker symbol BITCF, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, with Bitcasas Inc., with the intent to acquire a major stake in the latter. Bitcasas is a group of companies utilizing its structure to promote the adoption of tokenization of real estate assets and mortgage loans. Ramesh Ramadas, the president of Bitcasas, explained, quote, "To help individuals all over the world understand the benefits of mortgage debt as an asset class, ownership in real estate without the management headache, we have developed the Bitcasas online investment platform. Using blockchain as its backbone adds full transparency and instant liquidity through tradable asset-backed security tokens," end quote. DigiMaxGlobal Solutions Inc., which is traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol DIGI.C, formerly known as DigiCrypt's Blockchain Solutions Inc., has entered into a cross-collaboration agreement with Luxembourg-based Black Manta Capital Partners. The agreement will enable clients from around the world to list their digital securities in Europe. DigiMax CEO Chris Carl commented, quote, "DigiMax recognizes Black Manta as one of the leading licensed service providers in Europe capable of assisting clients to raise capital and to list digital securities in Europe, starting with Germany. We respect how difficult it is to gain these approvals from the financial supervisory authorities in Europe, and to have done so represents a substantial accomplishment on the path leading toward global digitization of securities. We are excited about working with Black Manta on several such projects in the immediate future," end quote. CCN reports that South Korea's biggest convenience store chain, CU, will be accepting crypto payments. CU, which has over 13,000 locations, will integrate the Chai payment system. Chai utilizes a Korean won-backed stablecoin called Terra in transactions. Reuters reports that Japan does not consider political donations in cryptocurrency to be illegal. The country's Internal Affairs and Communications Minister, Sanai Takaichi, explained at a press conference yesterday that cryptocurrencies are legal when donated to individual politicians and are not included in the report on political funds. And mutual fund and investment giant Vanguard has partnered with NASDAQ Ventures-backed blockchain startup Symbiont to build a blockchain-based trading platform for the $6 trillion Forex market. That's according to a report from CoinDesk. The platform is aimed at lowering transaction costs for the trillions of dollars worth of currencies it trades annually by boosting peer-to-peer trading for investors, connecting them directly via blockchain technology, end quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, Next ID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.